So hey guys, this is Arjun and today I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can you just install a driver of a TP-Link 821N Wi-Fi adapter in your Parrot OS. And so let's get straight in the video. Connect your phone to your PC using data cable and enable USB setting to allow internet connectivity, and then install Git using this command. It takes a little bit of time, so wait until it gets finished. Now it got finished, so now we are moving to GitHub page. Copy the link of the code or the driver you say, and download it or clone it using the git command like this. So we are almost done cloning. So after that we are moving to installation steps. Now we are installing a Dkms. So for normal Linux systems, it's the code that is given here. I will just copy that and paste that in the terminal. Now after that, it is saying to clone this repository. So we have already done that, so we need not to do that. So we are just opening that command directory, I mean the directory, using this command. So copying and pasting that command in the terminal and opening that directory. Then we need to add the driver to the Dkms. So we are just using this command. So we're just copying this command and pasting in the terminal. It creates some system file, and then we build and install a driver. So we're copying again the same the different code and pasting in the terminal. Now we have to install the driver, so we are just copying that command and pasting here, and it takes a little bit of time, so I'm just increasing the speed of the video, and then it gets finished. And after that we have to just blacklist that driver. So we need to copy that command and paste in the terminal like we have been doing since we have started the video. And we have to force that driver to be active from the boot. So we have to copy that different command and then paste in the terminal. Now again a different command. Now again for the newer version of Ubuntu, you have to just copy this, and to fix that some kind of issues, so we have to just put that here. Now we have to just upgrade the grub bootloader, I mean the grub files. So we have to just paste that command here, and then it takes a little bit of time, so wait until it gets finished. Yep, it got finished. Now you can reboot your PC in order to get that driver completely working with your PC. So copy the command here and paste it in your terminal, and then press enter. Your PC will be rebooted, and log in into PC back again. Then you'll be able to see different Wi-Fi networks available displaying over here, which are nearby to you. So you can also connect to one of those if you like, and using their passwords. So hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.